Hey guys, what's up? It is your girl, Jay Hendy here with another new video. And for this video, I'm going to be showing you guys my Halloween costume this year that I DIY'd myself, which is a Gothic princess, but I've been calling it the Queen of Darkness. So, yeah, anyway, I'm just really glad that I was able to fit in time to make this video for you guys and overall just kind of like put my whole look together. I'm not gonna lie, October has been a very, very busy month for me, and I'm just glad that I was able to, fit this in. And yeah, but anyway, I am now gonna show you guys how I put my look together. Hey guys, so I'm in my bathroom right now, and I'm just gonna be putting on these heart stamps under my eyes here and also some lipstick, just because I feel like that would be really cool for this look that I am about to do. And also I'm gonna be putting on black lipstick, which I can't remember the last time when I had it on. But before I start getting into that, check out my choker here. So I literally got this off Amazon. It has these little teardrop beads and it's lace here, and I thought that looked really cute for my costume. So anyway, this is kind of what it looks like up close. And yeah, also if you hear rattling, that's just because the air is on. So I just wanted to point that out there. And yeah, anyway, I'm just gonna be putting on little tattoo stamps under my eyes. Hopefully it doesn't come out to be uneven. If it is, it's my own fault, so yeah. Okay. I don't think it looks uneven. I'm literally looking up in the mirror too, so yeah, I'm like, yeah, I don't think it looks uneven. I don't know why I'm like getting myself so worked up about it. And also, if I'm just like up close, like getting really close to the camera on my phone, that's just because I'm also trying to check in the mirror too. So, but yeah, I don't think it looks that bad. But anyway, now for the lipstick. Oh my God, I had this envisioned in my head that black lipstick would just like look really good, and I also feel like it would stand out more. But I was also kind of thinking like maybe I can do like a haze gray, or like maybe like a plum color for my lips. But I was like, you know what, I'll try black because, it's Halloween, it's very like hardcore. So I'll definitely like go with black lipstick. And it's also the one time of year that I get to wear black lipstick, so I'm like, why not? But yeah, I'm gonna be putting this on. So let's see how this goes. Oh my God. All right. So looks good so far. I'm actually gonna fix this so I can actually look in my mirror and you guys will get to see this finished look. Okay, so I just had to fix my lipstick because it was kind of like getting a little all over the place, and I had to clean it up with a Q-tip, and I also had to blot it too. And yeah, this is my finished look, and now I'm gonna show you guys my outfit and my accessories, and I'm just really excited for that. So yeah, let's get ready for it. Okay, so this is my finished look, and I hope you guys are ready to see it. Oh my God. Not gonna lie, I really love it. I really do. So anyway, this dress that I'm wearing is from Forever 21, and it's actually like a two-piece set, and I'm not gonna lie, it was a real pain getting this dress on, and it's probably going to be even more of a pain having to get it off. And my boots, I just had these in my closet, and honestly, I was thinking about using like combat boots, but I was like, nah, like I think the long boots like make it look, I don't know what it is, but I just love the long boots and just how it looks with the dress. And my headpiece that I'm wearing, I'm actually gonna walk up so you guys can see it up close. My headpiece here, I'm like moving around because the sun's in the way. This headpiece that I'm wearing here is from Doll's Kill, and my choker is from Amazon. And this is my finished look. This is my finished look, and now I really do feel like I am the Queen of Darkness. I've been literally saying that to myself. But yeah, oh my god. I just really love how this looks, and I'm like really impressed with myself. I did have some like spikes and chain chokers that I could have used, but I kind of like this better. I really do like how this turned out, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm really proud of myself and I love it. Wow, good job to me. I did so good. But yeah, this is my finished look. I'm actually gonna do a little 360. So yeah, this is my finished look. I am really happy with how this turned out, and yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed just getting to see me put it all together. All right, I'll do one final spin. But yeah, this is my finished look, and I really hope you enjoyed watching. Okay guys, so that was it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed getting to see me put together my whole look. I'm like really amazed with how it turned out, and honestly, when I had that created in my head, I was like, I have to bring this to life. So the second I saw myself after I put everything together, I was just really amazed. And honestly, just the way I use my creativity, it's just like, it turns out like so great when you are really creative. And yeah, so I really hope you guys enjoyed getting to just see me create my costume for this year, just getting to see what I looked like as Gothic princess, the Queen of Darkness. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much all I gotta say here, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Peace.